Aloha kakahiaka kako. Michael Kiolamal Tengan here, hanging out on property, getting ready to do some work around the yard and contemplating ecosystems. So one thing that keeps on coming to mind, especially in really immersing in the whole process of farming, is the importance of the interconnectivity of everything. Because while we identify many things, ourselves included, as being separate of everything else, what indeed is truly the case is that everything is connected. So unless we're considering the interconnectivity of everything, how one thing not merely affects another to a very large degree, supports or hinders the growth and development of such. So ecosystems, right? I mean, our bodies are basically a cluster of cells or energy that is held together by our awareness and our consciousness. And as such is an ecosystem in itself, right? Looking at the different systems, the cardiovascular, the heart, the lungs, the body, the groups of muscles, and then looking at ourselves as individuals, right? Whether we are talking about ourselves as family members or in relationship to our work, that which we do, and those that we work with, inevitably, it's all about these different interconnected and related communities that come into play. Now, all too often, we don't necessarily see ourselves as such. We see ourselves as standalone beings and things that are separate of the world around us. Yet really, truly, and deeply, we are connected on a very real level. And our growth, our development, our progress ultimately ties into the fact that we are related to each other. So the importance of being able to come together in unity, the importance of us doing things collectively as a community, comes in that very fact of ecosystems. So ecosystems is not merely that interconnectivity, it's also really the importance of each and every one of us as we grow, as we develop, and as we progress in our lives. So consider that every time that you see someone and identify them as being separate and opposite. Consider that as we really have the discussion of what's best for not merely ourselves, for those that we live with. And really, all together, all of us here on Maui, all of us here in Hawaii, all of us here within the earth itself, and considering the earth itself, we're all related, and as such, in our relationships, we really do want to consider how we affect each other and how we can best support each other as well. All right, time to change clothes and get into the farming part. Love and aloha from Maui. Take care of each other, and ahuiho.